Hello and welcome to Academic Solutions, #level up, #making it easy. I am Remember Chilwani and I'll be your maths tutor for grade 8. Now our topic for today is geometry of straight lines, and we are going to focus on perpendicular, intersecting and parallel lines. Now the first one that we're going to discuss is perpendicular lines. So this is when two lines form an angle of 90 degrees and we say the two lines are perpendicular. Now if you look at this diagram here, you can see that angle ABC is 90 degrees and AB is perpendicular to CD. This is line AB and this is line CD. So this is, also means that angle ABD is 90 degrees because line AB is perpendicular to line CD. So with this diagram, angle AOC equals 90 degrees and line AB is perpendicular to line CD. Also, angle AOD, this angle here, is 90 degrees and line AB is perpendicular to line CD. So looking at lines and angles, so we have the first one here, the first diagram, ABC, B is the center. This angle here equals 180 degrees. The reason being, sum of the angles on a straight line adds up to 180 degrees. So this is an angle on a straight line. Our second diagram, angle ABD is the same as angle B1, and angle DBE is the same as angle B2, and angle CBE, this angle here, is the same as angle B3. And also angle B1 plus angle B2 plus angle B3 is 180 degrees. If you look at B1, B2 and B3 is a straight line. That's why it adds up to 180 degrees. Okay, so we're looking at vertically opposite angles. This angle here and this angle here, angle 1 and angle 3, are equal, and the reason being they are vertically opposite angles, therefore they are equal. We also have angle 4 and angle 2 also equal, and they are vertically opposite angles. So let's do the following exercise. Calculate the unknown angles in each of the following diagrams. Give reasons for all your answers. Before you even calculate, if you look at this first diagram here, diagram A, this is a straight line. And then you remember what we said about angles on straight line being equal to 180. So the sum of this, 48 degrees plus x, equals 180. And the reason, it says here, give reasons for all your answer. So the reason would be sum of the angles on a straight line equals 180. So you take these two, 48 degrees plus x, equate those to 180, and then bring the 48 degrees to the right hand side of the equal sign, because you want to be left with the unknown on the left hand side. Okay, so on the left hand side of the equal sign you'll be left with x, which will be equal to 180 degrees minus 48 degrees, and that will give you 132 degrees. So the angle here equals 132 degrees. If you want to prove that this is correct, say 132 degrees plus 48, it has to give you 180 degrees. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. This angles here, just by looking at the diagram, you already know that this angle equals this angle, and this one here will be equal to this one here. And the reason being, these are vertically opposite angles and they are equal. So therefore, x equals 85 degrees. Let's move on to C. Let's look at this diagram here. Our unknown here, we have 3x on this side, so our unknown is x. Okay. 3x plus 90 equals 180 degrees. Why did I say that? Because this is a straight line. We have line CBD. We have a straight line. Remember what we said about the angles on a straight line? The angles on a straight line adds up to 180 degrees. The sum of the angles on a straight line adds up to 180 degrees. So this angle here plus this angle here, by the way, this angle is 90 degrees. So 3x plus 90 degrees has to give us 180 degrees. And then what do we do from here? We bring this 90 degree to the right hand side of the equation, and it changes the positive sign to negative sign. So therefore on the side we'll be left with 3x equals 180 minus 90 degrees. 180 minus 90 degrees gives us 90 degrees. Therefore we'll be left with 3x equals 90 degrees. But we want to remove this 3 here. And the only way to do that is to divide this 3x here by 3, so that this 3 cancels out this 3. But what we do on the left hand side, we also do on the right hand side. So if we divide by 3 here, we're also going to divide the right hand side by 3. So therefore, we are left with x on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side we have 90 divided by 3, which gives us 30 degrees. Therefore, x equals 30. And if you want to prove if that's correct, take the 30 degrees, go and substitute it there. You'll be having 30 multiplied by this 3 here, which gives us 90. And you'll be having 90 this side, and this also 90. 90 plus 90 is going to give you 180 degrees, which is correct. Now let's move on to the next one. D. So we're supposed to find the unknown angles here, which is x, y, and z. Okay, let's start. You have 135 here plus z. This is a straight line. You have a straight line here. You have a straight line. So the angles this side has to add up to 180. So 135 plus this angle gives us 180. We take 135 to the right hand side, becomes 180 minus 135. Now answer is 45. That's 45. Now we know that this angle is 45. Okay. So we know that angle Z and angle X are vertically opposite. And then what did we say about vertically opposite angles? We said that they are equal. So if Z is 45, then X is also 45. Now we have 45 here. So the only unknown is Y. But look at this. We have a straight line here. Okay. So another one, we can also use the method. If you look at this angle, this line here, let's name this line A, and then let's call this line B. If you look at line A and then line CD, line AB and line CD. If you look at line CD on this side, here, this here is equal to that there. So y plus 80 is equals to 135. Why? These are vertically opposite angles, which makes them equal. So what we do is we bring this 80 to the right hand side and it becomes negative. So we're going to have y equals 135 minus 80, which makes it 55. Now if you want to prove that this is correct, take 55, which is y, 55 plus 45, that is 100, then plus 80, that is 180. Those are the angles on line CD, which makes 180 degrees. Now thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, but most importantly I hope you understood everything. Now for more info, please follow us on the following social platforms. We are on Facebook as Academic Solutions. We are also on Instagram as @academic_solutions with a Z at the end. And then you can also check our websites on academicsolutions.co.za and myacademicsolutions.co.za.